Okay, the issue is resolved. Basically, I have created files inside the pages folder. We have to create it inside the pages, but inside API folder. Here it is. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, your empty is now available on OpenSea. Share OpenSea link with everyone on Discord. Okay, now let's see our link is on OpenSea or not. For the folder, push all the code encrypted because afterwards deploy a code pop, open a website and mint an NFT. After answering a browser, open a link by replacing your NFT contract address. Okay, so let's see. Piece here is started. Now let's uh, mint an NFT. It's taking some time. Okay, so when you start your address is by tested, mint your crypto dev. Now let's pre-sale mint. Okay, so congratulations, you have successfully mint NFT. Now let's see on uh, OpenSea. Now let's paste our contract address here. Where it is? Uh, should be here. Yes. Yes. This one. This is our contract address. Now let's paste it. Oh, sorry. Now just get a new file and paste that URL. Okay, I have copied it with the bracket. Now let's paste it here and now see. Let's see. Okay, great, great, great. We have just got an NFT. Okay, we have just minted it. Collection. Here it is. Now let's see the smart contract. So let's see. crypto dev. Sorry, it's artifact folder. Here it is. So basically the price of NFT is 0.001. We have just minted by using this function, and we have an NFT inside our OpenSea account also. So now let's move on and paste our contract address here. Sorry, it's on Cody network. Okay, great. So we have completed this section also. Refresh this page and see now what left. So we have now 4 more section to cover in sophomore track. The next one is launch your own initial coin offering, ICO. So that will be interesting. Okay, so let's start it.